What's up? What's up, guys? Today, Fidget Toy Obby is my favorite game today, and this is so easy. Actually, the next level is not easy. So they keep jumping, so they're bouncing. Oh, there it is. The hard one. OMG, this is so hard. Why? That one. Oh no, not this one. Jump. Wait. I'm jumping. I'm gonna jump. Jump. OMG, I did it! Why do they keep falling there? This is so easy. Anyway, why they keep falling? This is easy. Jump. No one is here. Yay! I'm all alone. Jump. Jump. Yeah, I did it. You did it. Step forward in your badge. Yeah, I did it. Now what are you gonna do? Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna rewind back